Good day.
Very nice day for parks. Get outside, try to enjoy the weather while you can, because we do have rain coming for tomorrow and Friday. Today, just going to be a few clouds. Temperatures this morning, a little bit on the cool side, but still above normal here in mid-Missouri. It's 48 at the lake. Rolla is 1 degree warmer than that, while Columbia is at an even 50 degrees, and to the west, a little bit warmer in Sedalia at 53. For the capital city, it's 52. Dew point is down in the mid-40s, so that shows our air is comfortable and dry. It's unlikely we're going to fall into at least the lower to mid-40s because we have winds coming out of the east-southeast now, light at 3 miles per hour. Those are going to be a little bit gusty later on today. We have a few clouds overhead now, storm systems passing us to the north. A few showers out over eastern Kansas. Those are going to try to come our way, but it's all in all likelihood they're going to break up before they come to mid-Missouri. We'll step out, go to a wider view, and see what's happening across the region. High pressure's down south. That's going to drive in those winds from that direction. Also, try to keep those clouds and rain at bay as it causes the air to sink to the surface. There's low pressure passing us up north. That's what's producing that rain along with the cold front. As far as our rain chances, those are coming from a separate low pressure system, and that's out to our west. We'll see all the details now of the hour-by-hour forecast, setting this in motion. Mostly sunny for this afternoon, highs reaching the mid-70s. We'll have a few clouds overnight. Lows going to be comfortable in the upper 40s, lower 50s. Clouds on the increase tomorrow. Could maybe see a few showers to the west tomorrow morning as that low approaches. Our best chances are going to be later on in the late afternoon, evening, and nighttime hours as that front starts to pass through. Showers and thunderstorms possible overnight, then into Friday. Not looking like we'll see anything severe, then all the rain should be out of here by Friday evening at the absolute latest. For today, 75 will be our high, mostly sunny, mild, and breezy. Tonight, we're down to 54, a few clouds, all in all pleasant. Here's a 7-day forecast showing we're even warmer tomorrow at 77, with rain coming late, lasting through part of Friday. We're dry for the weekend and cooler in the 60s.